Ready.
3, 2, 1, fire.
Whoa. Hey.
The camera is recording with the timer on it, you know. So you'll have to watch it on video, right? 50 seconds.
Is it gone alright? It's going to get louder. It's going to get a lot louder.
Yeah.